Okay, everybody, I don't do long videos that much anymore, but this is a glorious day. This is a TRX, Ram TRX Hennessy. This thing is gorgeous. The blue stitching, everything about this truck is gorgeous. I love it. No, I am not going to open it up and do all that crazy stuff because, yeah, no, that's how you get fired in 3 seconds. Not gonna do that. So, yeah, letting you guys see the glorious day today. Beautiful. Love it. Okay, let's get down to business on these specs. The 2024 Hennessy Mammoth 1000 Ram TRX is a heavily modified version of the Ram 1500 TRX, upgraded by Hennessy Performance to deliver 1,000 horsepower and 969 pounds-foot of torque. This upgrade involves a larger supercharger, high-flow injectors, and other performance enhancers. I will put a lot of this in the description so you guys can sit back and enjoy this. You guys are going to love this, and you know what? Turn up now because this is cool.